So, as you can tell, I'm in university again today for a meeting about heavy rain. Should be a good meeting. Quite a busy day today, actually. So I'm here for a good couple of hours, and then I'm in Bath later today. So let's go get this meeting over and done with, and then have some fun with my day. Don't overdo it, mate. We've got to go to Bath tonight. Well, I've got to drive there because apparently I enjoy driving a lot.
He does. He loves it. He much prefers driving. Great. I'm very tired and I'm doing my shop plans, which are taking a long while.
Shall we give him a quick sneak peek? Just a real quick one. That's all you get. That's all you get from heavy rain for today. So finished at Seb's now. I know I said that we're having a meeting at Costa. Don't get me started. There was a whole debacle that there was no plug sockets for their laptops, and we just decided let's just go to Seb's house and do work here. So we've finished working here for this evening. So I've got to drive home, get changed into some warmer clothes as we're off to Bath tonight. We're gonna go check out the property again, well, the street for the property anyways, because we haven't been there at night yet, so we need to go check that out. So yeah, should be good fun. I'm feeling so tired today, guys. It's just so annoying. I'm gonna drive home now, get some food, I think, get changed, then come literally straight back here in about 2 hours. So I'll see you guys when I get home. So all packed, ready to go. Hoping we won't be there too long, as I am really quite tired. So yeah, off to Whirl now to go pick up Poppy and Seb, and then off to Bath. So I'll see you guys when I go to Whirl. So all fueled up now, off to Bath. So we just got to the property in Bath. The drive was actually really nice. Quite cold, which was a bit annoying. It's absolutely freezing in Bath tonight for some reason. I think it's like -2. So you can see the property over my shoulder. But we're just checking out the low light, what the light is outside, and it's a lot worse than we first anticipated. The only light source that we do have is this. You know, your old style like street light, which doesn't give off a huge amount of light, which is annoying. It's really made a dilemma now, so we're gonna have to have a good think about this. So we just got finished looking at the light outside the property. It's going to to be much harder than first anticipated to get it all looking right and getting continuity correct, especially with this part of Bath where the houses are so old. They keep the same sort of street light, so the light that it emits is quite low, so a bit more work to do, but can't complain. Anyway, we're walking back to the car now as it is absolutely freezing, and then go back home. I think I'm actually going to end the vlog here, guys. If you really enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up and give this video a like. And if you want to see more content like this every day, make sure you hit subscribe. Anyway, guys, I'll see you tomorrow.